Hi, how much are these?
The chips are $2 and the chocolate bar is $1.50.
Great. I'll take both.
Anything else for you today?
No, that's it, thanks.
Alright, that'll be $3.50.
Hi, do you have any sparkling drinks? I'm in the mood for something bubbly.
Yes, we do. We have sparkling water and there are a few fruit-flavored sparkling sodas as well.
That sounds great. What flavors do you have?
Let's see. We have lemon lime, berry, and a tropical flavor.
I think I'll go with the berry one. How much is it?
That one is $1.75.
Perfect. Here you go.
Thanks. Enjoy your sparkling drink. It's great on a hot day.
I'm sure it will be. Thanks for the recommendation.
Hi there. Welcome to Pizza Palace. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'm in the mood for something cheesy and delicious. What's your most popular pizza?
Our Ultimate Cheese Blast is a hit. It has 4 types of cheese and a garlic crust. It's a total crowd pleaser.
That sounds amazing. Let's go with a large one of those. And can I add some extra toppings?
Absolutely. We've got pepperoni, mushrooms, olives, and more. Just say the word.
Alright, let's add pepperoni and mushrooms. And could you make it extra crispy?
You got it. Anything else?
Actually, yeah. Can I get a side of garlic bread and a couple of sodas?
Sure thing. We have Coke, Sprite, and root beer. What LL it be?
Let's go with 2 Cokes. Oh, and could I get some extra napkins? Things might get messy with all that cheese.
No problem. We'll load you up with napkins. So, 1 large Ultimate Cheese Blast with extra pepperoni and mushrooms, a side of garlic bread, and 2 Cokes. Your total is $18.50.
Thanks a lot.
Hi, what brings you in today? Hi, doctor. I've been feeling really out of sorts lately. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me more about what's going on? Sure, I've been getting these headaches almost every day, and I feel exhausted. Even if I get a full night's sleep, it's like I'm running on empty. I see. Headaches and fatigue can be frustrating. How long has this been going on? About 2 weeks now. I thought it would go away, but it's just not letting up. Well, work has been a bit crazy lately, and I haven't been eating as well as I usually do. I feel like I'm just grabbing whatever's quick. That could be part of it. Sometimes, stress and diet can really mess with our energy levels. I'll run a few basic tests to make sure everything's okay, but I'd recommend taking some time to unwind each day and adding more healthy foods. That makes sense. I guess I've been pushing myself too hard. It happens to the best of us. Let's take a look at the test results, and we'll go from there. Meanwhile, try to sneak in some me time every day. Even a little can go a long way. I will. Thanks. I appreciate it, doctor. Hi, what seems to be bothering you today?
Hi, doctor. I've got this toothache that's driving me up the wall. It comes and goes, but when it hits, it really hurts.
That doesn't sound fun. Let's take a closer look and see what's going on. Is it one tooth or a few?
Just one, here on the left side. It's a dull ache most of the time, but sometimes it gets really sharp, especially when I eat something cold or sweet.
Got it. Sounds like you might have a cavity. That tooth might need a little TLC, so let's check it out, and take an X-ray to be sure.
Alright, do you think it'll need a filling?
Most likely, yes. But don't worry, it's a quick fix, and I'll make sure it's as painless as possible.
That would be great. I've heard horror stories about fillings, so I'm a bit nervous.
No worries. You'll be in and out before you know it. We'll use a numbing gel, and you'll barely feel a thing. Just sit back, relax, and let me do the work.
Thanks, doctor. That sounds like a plan.
Alright, Tom. Once we're done, Just remember to keep up with your brushing and flossing so we can keep that smile healthy and cavity-free.
Will do. Thanks for the help. I really appreciate it. Hi there, how's it going? Can I help you find anything today?
Hey, yeah, I'm looking for a new pair of running shoes. Mine are getting a bit worn out.
Got it, we've got a great selection. Are you looking for something lightweight or more for support?
I think I need something with more support. I've been running a lot lately, and my knees have started to hurt a bit.
In that case, these ones right here are perfect.
They look awesome. How much are they?
These are $80, but they're on sale for $60 today. A pretty good deal.
Nice. I'll take them. Do you have them in my size? I'm a 9.
Let me check. Yep, we've got them in size 9. I'll grab them for you.
Great, thanks. And do you have any moisture-wicking socks? I always end up with blisters after my runs.
Definitely, we've got a few options over here. These socks are made specifically for running. They'll keep your feet dry and prevent blisters.
Perfect. I'll take a pair of those too.
Awesome choice. So that's the shoes and socks. Your total is $75.
Here you go. Thanks for the help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new gear, and happy running.
Hi there. I see you've had a little accident. What happened?
Hey. Yeah, I slipped while biking, and I've got a cut on my arm that's not stopping the bleeding. I think I might need stitches.
Sounds like you need a quick fix. Don't worry. We'll take good care of you. How deep is the cut?
It's pretty deep, maybe about 2 inches long. I'm not sure if it's too serious, but it definitely needs something done.
Okay, no problem. I'll clean the wound first, and then we'll stitch it up. It'll be over before you know it. Have you had stitches before?
Yeah, a couple of times when I was younger. I remember it stinging a bit, but it wasn't too bad.
You're right. There will be little sting, but I'll make sure you're comfortable. I'll apply some numbing cream so you won't feel much during the stitching.
That's a relief. I'm not too keen on the idea of feeling any pain.
I totally understand. I'll keep an eye on the wound to make sure it heals properly. You'll need to come back for a checkup in about a week, just to make sure everything's looking good.
Thanks, I really appreciate it. I'm ready to get this over with. Hi. Thanks for stopping by today. So, what kind of place are you looking for?
Hey, I'm looking for a 2-bedroom apartment in a good neighborhood. Something modern and easy to maintain.
Great. Are you thinking about a specific area, or are you open to options?
I'd prefer somewhere close to the city center, but I don't mind if it's a bit further out if it's the right place.
Got it. I have a few options that might be perfect. Do you want something with a big living room or a more compact space?
I'd love a spacious living room, but I'm also okay with a smaller one if it has good storage and a nice kitchen.
Sounds like you're after something with a good layout. I've got a place in mind. It's got a great open-plan living area and a modern kitchen. Plus, it's in a great location with lots of shops and cafes nearby.
That sounds awesome. What's the price range?
It's listed at $250,000. It's a bit on the higher side, but it's in a prime location, and the building is brand new.
That's a little above what I was expecting, but I'll definitely take a look. What about the condition of the apartment? Is it move-in ready?
Absolutely. It's brand new, so everything's in perfect condition. You wouldn't need to do any work. Just move in and start enjoying it.
That's a huge plus. I really don't want to spend time renovating.
I totally get that. This place is definitely ready to go. It also has a balcony, which is perfect for relaxing outside.
That sounds amazing. Can we schedule a viewing?
Sure. I can set that up for tomorrow afternoon. How does 3 p.m. sound?
That works for me. Thanks. I'm looking forward to seeing it. Hi, Jack. So, what's the vision for your space? What kind of vibe are you going for?
Hey, Sarah. I'm thinking of something cozy and modern, nothing too over the top, Just a space where I can relax but still feel stylish.
Sounds great. So, are you thinking of sticking with neutral tones or do you want to add a pop of color somewhere?
I'm leaning toward neutral tones like grays and whites for the walls. But maybe we could add some accent colors with the furniture or accessories.
That works perfectly. We can use throw pillows, rocks, and art to bring in some bold colors without overwhelming the space. Do you have any favorite colors in mind?
I'm thinking of something calming, maybe blue or green. Something that feels fresh but still warm, you know?
I totally get it. Blue and green are great choices for creating a peaceful vibe. We could go with a soft blue on the walls and then add some green plants to liven things up.
I love that idea. And what about the furniture? I want it to be comfortable but also stylish. I don't want it to look too casual.
We can definitely make that happen. A comfortable sectional sofa with some clean lines could work really well. We'll add some chic coffee tables and maybe a statement chair to give it that stylish edge.
Sounds perfect. I also need some storage solutions. I've got a lot of stuff, and I don't want it all cluttering up the space.
No problem. We can use a mix of hidden storage like storage ottomans or stylish shelving units. It'll keep things tidy while still looking good.
I'm excited. And I've been thinking of adding a few art pieces, but I don't know where to start.
Art can really set the tone for a room. I'd suggest starting with something abstract or nature-inspired. It's timeless and goes with almost any theme.
I like that idea. Maybe some abstract pieces for the living room and nature prints for the hallway.
Great choice. I think that will tie the whole look together. We'll also add some soft lighting, maybe a few floor lamps or pendant lights to make the space feel cozy.
Perfect. I can't wait to see it all come together. Thanks for helping me with this, Sarah.
You're welcome, Jack. It's going to look amazing. We'll make sure it's both functional and beautiful.